Okay. So we have ADSL, CM, and sub-CM. As we have discussed, these are the three data sets which are needed to create our ADCM. Then after, we need to merge. This is the first task. Whenever you come across a scenario where you have to use both CM and sub-CM, or let's say tomorrow we are working on adverse event, we have to merge a data set with a sub-A. We have to combine, we have to join both the CM dataset with the parent dataset. Parent dataset in this case is CM and supplementary is sub-CM. So we don't have to write the entire code that this is my common variable and other things. We have a functions from the admiral which we can use to combine or join CM and sub-CM. The package name is or function name is combine sub. That's all. We are combining CM with sub-CM. And if I run this, let's see what is happening. Yes, CM1 is created. If I look into this, CM1, if I show you sub-CM, so in sub-CM what we have? You can see that these are my queue names. CM80C, these are my queue names which we wanted to have as a variable. So for example, we can take example of anything. Let's say it says queue name CM or ATC2CD, or let's say this one CM80C2. This information for this subject, you have the queue name. This is the ATC variable. This is the value. This variable or this is the value currently which is under queue name. This we finally want it as a variable so that we can combine with the main data set, with the parent data set. The first task is, if let's say we are not using a function, first task would be to transpose this from observation to variable. And this was also a part of assignment. And once you are having this as a variable, then you can combine with a main dataset using the common variable, use sub ID, and even sequence number. This is my sequence number as we have understood earlier. So this you don't have to do anything, transpose and join everything. Just you mention function is there to make your task easier. Combine the CM with sub-CM. That's all. So finally, when I open CM1 dataset, I can see all those values. See here, ATC3, ATC4, these all are ATC2, these are coming up from the supplementary. So you have a variable from, you must be knowing, you are aware of it, though these all variable, epoch, start date, end date. These we keep in a main STTM dataset, CM dataset. And then after, from here, I can see, starting from here, these are all the values which are under the queue name earlier in a supplementary dataset. After transpose, it's coming up as a variable. So now it's easy for us. Now we can easily map this variable to the variable how it's mentioned in the specification. Once you join the CM and sub-CM, the next task would be to combine with the ADSL.